Hey Eddie, I was just working on this story and I thought it doesn't make any sense for me to do all the editing because then you don't learn anything. So I've got a little video here. I edited this up until um, right here to the Jimmy said part. And the biggest thing, like if you get a word like popo, I don't know who that is. I have no idea. If you want to use a word like this, you could put quotes around it, or maybe it's a spelling check or spelling error. So I was thinking one of the things you could do is, next time you go through the document and go to tools and then go to spelling and grammar and do a spelling and grammar check. All right, and now it went through and it did things like here's the end of a sentence, so the next word has to be capitalized. Okay? Document looks good, you're kidding me. So you don't have any more spelling errors here. Amazing. Okay. Then the next thing I said was to try and end sentences with periods and start the next sentence, okay, with a capital letter. So the waves were getting bigger. The squid was holding Carson in its tentacles. Dad, it's Carson, Jimmy said. The police just arrived. Okay, now this is like 3 sentences right here. No, it's 4. It's a lot more than that. So the next thing you want to do is take this piece and break it up into some sentences, okay? Because we can't write the way we talk. That's the hardest thing for people to understand. So it was a ginormous beating, Jimmy said. The police just arrived, and then I would put a period in here. Period. Then capitalize the they. They ran to their house. They ran to. Oh, okay. So now this is a little complicated. I'm going to say Jimmy and his dad because I thought the police ran to the house, and his dad ran to the house and hid in the basement. Period. Okay, so why don't you go through this one more time and see if you can break some of these sentences into more than one sentence, okay? Um, and there's one other thing I want to show you that they used to do when I was little, and they don't do it anymore. It's called diagramming, and it really helps. Okay, buddy. Okay, see if you can break some of these apart, and I'll do a little movie for you on diagramming. And what's good about it is that it's like a framework for your head. Okay, bud.